Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your email address on Linen Wallet. Changing your email address on Linen Wallet is a super easy process. So first of all, open the Linen Wallet application from your app drawer. Enter your Linen Wallet account's password or passcode to log into your wallet. After you are logged in, you will end up in this main homepage of Linen Wallet. Now tap on the gear or the settings button at the bottom right hand corner, and from the settings menu, tap on Recovery Kit at the top. From the Recovery Kit options, tap on the third option where you can see your email address and phone number. On the next page, tap on Email. Enter the new email address you are trying to change to for your wallet and click on Continue. You will now receive a verification code sent to you to your new email. Check your emails inbox and open up the email from Linen Wallet at the top. Copy the verification code and paste it inside your verification tab, and you will be able to change your email address for Linen Wallet. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.